Hey bro, I'll be sharing with you the process of creating a stream aquarium. I'm going to start by preparing the aquarium. The first step is to stick black glass paper on the back of the aquarium. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually very important. The black background helps the stream fish develop more vibrant colors. You see, in their natural habitat, stream fish are used to darker backgrounds. By creating a similar environment in the aquarium, now it's time to place the main stone. This sand is carefully selected to mimic the natural sand found in streams. It has a smooth texture and a natural color that will blend well with the rest of the scape. As I pour the sand into the aquarium, I can already imagine the beautiful stream that will soon take shape. I spread the sand evenly across the bottom, making sure it has a slight slope to give the impression of a flowing stream. I'm going to start by adding the stream sand to the bottom of the aquarium. This is the centerpiece of the scape, the one that will give the stream its character. I carefully choose a large, irregularly shaped stone that has a natural look. I place it in the aquarium, adjusting its position until I'm satisfied with how it looks. It's like finding the perfect spot for a sculpture in a garden. These stones are smaller but still play an important role in creating the overall look of the stream. I place them around the main stone, creating a natural-looking formation. Some are placed upright, some are lying down, and some are stacked on top of each other. It's all about creating a sense of movement and flow. As I continue to add the secondary stones, I also start to place the smaller, finer stones. These are like the finishing touches, adding texture and detail to the scape. I scatter them around the larger stones, filling in the gaps and creating a more natural look. It's like adding the little rocks and pebbles you would find along the banks of a real stream. As I work, I can see the stream slowly coming to life. The sand, the stones, and the water are all starting to blend together, creating a beautiful and realistic representation of a natural stream. It's like I'm creating a little piece of nature right here in my aquarium. As I keep adding and adjusting the stones, I can feel the excitement building. I know that with each passing moment, I'm getting closer to completing this beautiful streamscape. Finally, the stream aquarium is complete. Look at it. It's a perfect replica of a natural stream. The water is flowing gently over the stones, creating a soothing sound. The fish will surely love this new home. So, that's how I created this stream aquarium. I hope you enjoyed watching the process as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more aquarium scaping videos. Thanks for watching.